Hello, it's Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Today we are looking at a 2025 Sea Ray 350. It's in the stone interior with your gray sea deck. This boat is equipped with a submersible swim platform. Stepping into the boat, see plenty of seating for your guest. Nice wraparound, kitchen stove, also with your refrigerator. Does come with a sink for fresh water. Plenty of storage, plenty of cup holders. Just a beautiful boat. This is where your battery switches are located. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on and get this thing powered up. Looks like the boat's starting to light up here since we got the power on. Starting off with the Helm, you have your Fusion stereo, all your switches. Coming into the trim tab, Simrad radio, DTS with joystick operation, and then you can also control your Simrad as a touch screen or by the dial over there. So this will operate just about everything on the boat. Currently we've got the lights on. Go into the boat operation. Can turn on your blowers, turn on your running lights. You also can do it here as well. Your extended sunshade, swim platform, can control all that. And then over here, I've got your Mercury set up right now, which would show all your information on your engines. You can go in here, change that into the chart. It's program it to here, and then you also can see all your data there as well. And then I can come over here and move my engines over there. And if I want to just mess with the cruise control, I can do it there. Now I can adjust my radio from here, change it from FM to Bluetooth or whatever you want. Go right back into lighting, change your lighting from here. Change the different zones. Backlighting. You can sync it with the music. Change the brighting. Absolute beautiful boat. Let's see the lighting that's in there. Sets the mood. Get the lighting in the speakers as well. That's a nice spot for a cooler. You also can put a cooler right up front there. Simply slide it out. Walking up to the bow of the boat, notice just enormous amount of seating. Along with the lighting, you got your radio controls here as well. USB, USB-C. So I can control the volume. Of course, you got your windlass. That can be controlled here at the bow or at the helm. Simply just open up here. Take the safety off, control it from the helm, or you can control it right here. Very simple. Nice shower, fresh water right in here. You can rinse off your anchor or get someone wet. armrest. And this can also convert, or you can have the cushion filler to make that a complete layout area. Walk into the co-pilot side. You've got your double seat and bolster. Additional lighting, you can see that under there. Into the speaker, you also have some courtesy lighting there. Large compartment, lockable. Cup holders. This is your little comfort station here. Got a TV. It is equipped with the inverter, so it's got the AC. See if I can get that light on there. You got a TV in there. You want to get out of the sun, get a little cool, hop in there. Very nice feature. Your next compartment is your head. Come in here, you have your sink and the toilet. Plenty of room, got some natural light. Back up to the helm, we're gonna extend this shade out. So now you have the sunshade completely extended, covering this back area, making it a nice time on the water. Hello, it's Joel Hawk from MarineMax Lake Ozarks. Thanks for watching the latest video. To see our entire inventory nationwide, visit us today at marinemax.com.